Okay, so this is the unit here with all the things, the wires, the cables that you need. Okay, so let's see. And then I guess these are the tools or yeah, instructions. Money? Is it money? No, oh shit, it's not money. Okay, so that's the screen guard, screen protector. Tools. Should have told them like not to send me any tools because I have like hundreds of these, little screwdrivers and stuff like that. Buy stuff from IKEA and then it always comes with the Allen key and then you end up with like 100 Allen keys. But anyway, if you wanna set that thing on a mirror, it's not heavy at all. That's good. Mine's gonna go on the windshield. I don't want it to be too heavy. Oh, it's all color coded, so the remote goes. Okay, so this is like a remote control that goes on the handlebar. Right. Okay, that's cool. Here's the clamp. Okay. So metal. The GPS, the unit is on the windshield thing. It's very sturdy. There are 3 wires. A yellow one, a black one, and a red one. Yellow one goes to the positive. Black one goes to the black one, the negative. And then there's another wire, ACC fuse. So you got to find the fuse box on the Leoncino 500. The fuse, this fuse, these fuses, there are 4 fuses. They are here at the back, just right there. So you remove these 2 screws, then the whole thing comes out, and then you look for the main fuse, and then this wire you can just like slide it inside. So you take out here, you take out this fuse, take it out, put the wire, slide the wire, obviously the metal wiring inside one of the 4 slots here, and then put the fuse back. So the guy on Taobao, the seller told me to make sure that the wire does not only touches one of those little legs. You know, these fuses, they have 4 legs. Okay, so this wire goes into when you take it out, you'll see there will be 4 like little legs and 4 slots, right? So you just pick one and slide the metal wiring inside, and then put it back. And then what you get when you turn on the ignition, the unit comes on, because this unit doesn't have a power switch. Okay, so it's pretty cool. So when you turn off the ignition, there you go. Here it says that the unit will, yeah, okay, so the unit just turns itself off. And that's it.